Fuzhou, the vibrant heart of Fujian Province, a city celebrated for its rich past, dynamic present, and visionary future. Cradled by the Min River and surrounded by lush mountains, Fuzhou has long been a center of culture, trade, and regional leadership. Its landscapes are filled with ancient temples, artistic landmarks, and charming villages that preserve centuries-old customs. From world-class cultural venues to serene natural retreats, Fuzhou offers a journey through time, one that showcases both heritage and innovation. Join us as we uncover 14 remarkable sites that define the soul of this historic, yet ever-evolving city. As we step into Fuzhou's modern heart, we begin with the Fuzhou Strait Culture and Art Center, a hub for contemporary creativity and performance arts. Located near the Min River in the Jinan district, it spans over 40,000 square meters and hosts theaters, exhibition halls, and cultural events. Opened in 2015, the center reflects Fuzhou's commitment to art and cultural development, providing a platform for both local and international artists. From world-class performances to visual exhibitions, this landmark symbolizes the city's ambition to blend tradition with innovation. Whether you are attending a symphony or exploring an art installation, the center demonstrates Fuzhou's cultural vitality. Next, we arrive at the Fuzhou Strait Olympic Sports Center, an architectural marvel that serves as a symbol of modern urban planning and athletic excellence. Situated in the Kangshan district, this center covers over 70 hectares and includes stadiums, swimming pools, and multifunctional arenas. Since its opening in 2015, it has hosted national and international sports competitions, from track events to aquatic championships. But here's a fun question for you. Which famous Chinese athlete once inspired young runners who trained at facilities like this across the country? A. Liu Xiang. B. Yao Ming. C. Sun Yang. And here's a small hint. The legendary Olympic gold medalist in the 110-meter hurdles. Comment A, B, or C below and tell us if you got it right. The iconic stadium roof, shaped like waves, echoes the city's coastal geography, blending function with aesthetic beauty. Local athletes train here, while citizens enjoy fitness activities, demonstrating Fuzhou's emphasis on health and community engagement. From the cheers of sports fans, we now move to a place of spiritual reflection in the heart of the city. Entering the calm of Xichan Temple, we find a sanctuary of Buddhist devotion that has stood for centuries. Located in the Gulu district, Xichan Temple was first established during the Tang Dynasty, making it one of the city's oldest and most revered religious sites. The temple features a grand Mahavira hall, intricate wooden carvings, and ancient bells that have rung for generations. Visitors come here for prayer, meditation, and cultural appreciation, connecting with Fuzhou's spiritual heritage. Its preservation and restoration over time reflect the city's respect for historical architecture and religious tradition. Continuing our exploration of Fuzhou's spiritual landmarks, we visit Linyang Temple, a tranquil Buddhist retreat nestled in lush surroundings. The temple dates back over 1,000 years and is renowned for its exquisite pagodas and stone inscriptions. Monks conduct daily rituals, and the temple hosts traditional festivals that attract visitors from across the province. As the morning mist drifts softly through the ancient courtyards, a profound sense of calm settles over the temple, inviting reflection and stillness. Its gardens and courtyards exemplify classical Chinese landscaping, offering a peaceful escape from the urban rush. Linyang Temple also highlights Fuzhou's enduring role as a center of Buddhist culture in southeastern China. Our next stop is Mindu Folk Culture Park, a living museum where Fuzhou's traditional arts, crafts, and festivals come alive. Located near the Min River, it features reconstructed historical streets, workshops, and performance spaces showcasing local opera, paper cutting, and lantern making. The park preserves the city's intangible cultural heritage and allows visitors to engage with artisans directly. From colorful dragon dances to local handicrafts, it's a vibrant testament to the city's folk traditions. Mindu Park demonstrates how Fuzhou balances modernization with preservation of its cultural soul. Zhongzhou Island lies at the confluence of the Min River, offering a unique blend of nature, history, and recreation. The island is known for its walking trails, scenic viewpoints, and historical monuments that trace Fuzhou's maritime past. Legend has it that centuries ago a devoted fisherman saved a sacred turtle from the river, and in gratitude, the local villagers built a small shrine on the island. Today, visitors can still find remnants of this shrine, a testament to the island's rich folklore and its connection to the river. Birdwatchers and hikers frequent the area, enjoying its rich flora and fauna. Zhongzhou Island reflects the city's long relationship with waterways, trade, and riverine culture. From the tranquil island scenery, we move to the charm of Fuzhou's rural villages. Our journey takes us to Gushi Village, a traditional settlement that preserves ancient architecture and local customs. Here, visitors can see preserved Ming and Qing dynasty houses, ancestral halls, and centuries-old stone streets. The village provides a window into Fuzhou's historical lifestyle, including farming practices, festivals, and folk traditions. Gushi Village is not only a tourist destination, but also a cultural preservation site, maintaining centuries-old craftsmanship. From one village, we now move to another equally captivating location. Have you ever visited a village that felt like stepping back in time? How did it compare to Gushi Village? Share your experiences or comparisons with other historical villages you've explored in the comments below. Next, we explore Sanluocuo Village, renowned for its historic homes and traditional workshops. This village is known for its intricate wood carvings, traditional ceramics, and local storytelling performances. Visitors often take guided tours to understand the village's role in regional trade and cultural transmission. Sanluocuo highlights the importance of community, heritage, and sustainable tourism in Fuzhou's rural areas. From Sanluocuo, we now continue to the town of Jia Lu Zhuang, where history and modernity intersect. Jia Lu Zhuang is a town that represents Fuzhou's historical significance and evolving economy. Known for its traditional architecture and preserved temples, it also features modern amenities and vibrant markets. The area reflects centuries of cultural development with local figures and historical events shaping its identity. Jia Lu Zhuang bridges the past and present, offering visitors insight into Fuzhou's social and economic transformation. From this dynamic town, we now visit Zhen Bao, an important historical and scenic site. Zhen Bao is a fortress and historical complex that tells the story of Fuzhou's strategic importance. Dating back to ancient dynasties, the site served as a military stronghold and later as a cultural landmark. Its walls, gates, and watchtowers have been preserved, giving insight into the city's defense and architecture. Visitors appreciate the site for its educational value and scenic views of the surrounding area. From Zhen Bao, we continue our journey to Zhufeng Village, a hub of rural charm. Zhufeng Village is famous for its traditional dwellings, communal culture, and scenic riverside paths. The village maintains a balance between cultural preservation and eco-tourism, allowing visitors to experience authentic local life. As the ancient saying goes, a home with a garden is a treasure of the heart, reflecting the harmony between people and nature that Zhufeng Village embodies. Local poets have long praised the tranquil rivers and blooming gardens here, celebrating a lifestyle that honors both heritage and serenity. It has been recognized for its role in maintaining Fuzhou's heritage and offering sustainable tourism experiences. From Zhufeng, we now move to Banyueli Village, another remarkable cultural site. Banyueli Village combines natural beauty with historic architecture, making it a picturesque destination for visitors. The village features old stone streets, ancient temples, and traditional homes, reflecting Fuzhou's regional characteristics. It's a place for cultural immersion, photography, and understanding local customs and crafts. Banyueli is part of Fuzhou's effort to preserve village life while welcoming tourists. From this village, we continue to an engineering marvel, the gateway to Pingtan Island. Connecting mainland Fuzhou to Pingtan Island, the Pingtan Strait Bridge is a modern symbol of connectivity and development. This bridge spans over 16 kilometers, one of the longest sea bridges in China, reducing travel time and enhancing trade and tourism. Its construction showcases modern engineering, safety standards, and design innovation. From the bridge, travelers can enjoy panoramic views of the Min River estuary and the East China Sea. Having crossed the strait, we arrive at Pingtan Island itself, a gem of natural and cultural heritage. Pingtan Island is the largest island in Fujian and a key destination for ecotourism and coastal exploration. Known for its sandy beaches, clear waters, and traditional fishing villages, it has become a hub for leisure, adventure, and cultural discovery. Local residents will tell you about hidden coves perfect for kite flying, secret tide pools teeming with marine life, and sunrise spots that remain almost untouched by tourists. These insider experiences reveal a side of Pingtan that goes beyond the usual guidebooks. The island is celebrated for seafood cuisine, local festivals, and vibrant maritime culture. It has also gained recognition for sustainable tourism practices and environmental preservation. Visitors leave with memories of coastal beauty, cultural richness, and the harmony between nature and human life. From serene temples to bustling cultural centers, from historic villages to breathtaking islands, Fuzhou offers a tapestry of experiences that reflect China's diversity and history. It's a city where nature, culture, and modernity converge, inviting travelers to explore its hidden corners and celebrated landmarks. Whether walking along riverbanks, visiting ancient temples, or crossing iconic bridges, Fuzhou leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of China's most captivating cities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to discover more incredible destinations in China.